What if I told you that you could create unlimited professional AI videos for absolutely free?
Woo!
No credit limits, no monthly subscriptions, no restrictions. Today, I'm revealing the exact method that's been saving content creators thousands of dollars every month. And the best part, it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Stay until the end because I'm sharing a pro tip that 99% of people don't know about. Hey, Tech Drop family! If you're tired of paying ridiculous monthly fees for AI video generators or constantly running out of credits right when you need the most, this video is about to change everything for you. I've been there, staring at that dreaded credits expired message when you're in the middle of creating your masterpiece. But not anymore. Today, I'm walking through the complete step-by-step process to access Dreamina AI's premium features completely free with unlimited video generation. And trust me, this method is 100% legitimate and safe. Before we dive in, let's be honest about the problem. Most AI video platforms charge anywhere from $20 to $100 per month, and even then, you're limited by credits. Create 10 videos? Sorry, wait until next month. Want higher quality? That'll cost extra. As content creators, we need unlimited access to keep up with demand. Whether you're making YouTube videos, social media content, or client work, these restrictions are killing our creativity and our wallets. But what if I told you there's a way around this? Let me show you exactly how. The secret lies in a simple technique that most people overlook. We're going to use a combination of a VPN and a strategic account setup that gives us access to Dreamina AI's full potential without any restrictions. First, we need to set up our virtual location. Go to your web browser and search for Urban VPN. Don't worry, it's completely free and safe to use. Click on the Chrome Web Store link. I'll put all the links in the description below so you don't have to search for them. Install the Urban VPN extension by clicking Add to Chrome. Once installed, you'll see the Urban VPN icon in your browser. Click it and select a US server. This is crucial because different regions have different credit applications and features available. Now search for Dreamina CapCut AI and select the official link. This is where the magic begins. Now here's the pro tip that most people miss, and this is worth its weight in gold. Before signing into Dreamina AI, you need to create your CapCut account first with your Gmail. This is the secret sauce that unlocks everything. Go to CapCut's official website and create an account using your Gmail. This step is absolutely critical. Don't skip it. The reason this works is because Dreamina AI is integrated with CapCut's ecosystem, and by creating your account this way, you're accessing their full feature set. I put all the links in the description below so you don't have to search for them. Once your CapCut account is ready, now go back to the Dreamina AI page and sign in with the same Gmail account that you used for CapCut. This is where the magic happens. And just like that, you're inside Dreamina AI with full access through your CapCut integration. Welcome to the Dreamina AI interface. Let me give you the grand tour of this incredible platform. Look at this beautiful intuitive design. Everything is laid out perfectly for creators like us. Now, you might notice on the left side that it shows it's 0 credits. Don't panic. This is exactly where our method tries. With our setup, these credit limitations don't apply to us in the same way. Let me show you how to start creating unlimited videos. Click on AI Video. This is where all the magic happens. Look at this interface. It's like having a professional video studio right in your browser. You've got your prompt box here where you enter your creative ideas. But before we start creating, let me show you some crucial settings that will make your videos look absolutely professional. First, click on the model option. You'll see different versions available, but I highly recommend Video 3.0. This is their latest and most advanced model that produces similar quality results. Next, you can change your aspect ratio depending on your needs. 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels, or 1:1 for Instagram posts. The flexibility is incredible. You can also adjust video duration anywhere from 2 to 10 seconds. For most content, 5 to 6 seconds gives you the perfect balance of quality and creativity. And here's something amazing. See this plus sign? You can upload your own images to create image-to-video content. This opens up endless possibilities for your content creation. Let me show you this in action with two incredible examples. First, text-to-video creation. I'll type this amazing prompt. Fluffy orange tabby cat with white paws on hind ledge at wooden kitchen counter, pushing chef's knife through bright red watermelon, juice stretching on my cutting board, soft window light from left, blurred kitchen background, slow motion watermelons leaving and revealing pink flesh and seeds, cat's focus expression with tongue out, cinematic color grading, 4K quality, smooth camera movement, photorealistic fur. Look at this incredible result. The realistic fur, the slow motion watermelon splitting, the cinematic lighting. This level of detail and quality would cost you hundreds of dollars on other platforms, but here is completely free. Now, let me absolutely blow your mind with image to video. I'll use this prompt to cinematic 3D animation in the style of the Spider-Man games. Spider-Man energetically pedals a bike through a vibrant Tokyo street during cherry blossom season. Watch this transformation, the dynamic camera movement, the fallen cherry blossoms, the detailed Tokyo street. This is like having a professional animation studio right in your fingertips. This is absolutely mind-blowing. But we're not done yet. Let me show you the editing feature that makes this platform absolutely incredible. Once your videos are generated, let me show you the powerful editing features. First, click on Assets to access all your created content. Select any video to see the detailed settings and options. You can download your video in high quality by clicking the download icon. Want to save it for later? Click on the subscribe icon to add it to your favorites, perfect for organizing your best creations. You can even upload the video directly using this upload option for quick sharing to your social media platforms. But here's where it gets really exciting. Click on the edit, and you'll see advanced options like interpolate for smoother motion, upscale for higher resolution, and generate soundtrack to add perfect audio to your videos. And if you want to try different variations of the same concept, just click Regenerate to get a completely new version of your video with the same prompt. Want a different style of that cat video? Just regenerate. The possibilities are truly endless. And there you have it, Tech Drop family. You now have the complete blueprint to create unlimited professional AI videos absolutely free. This method has saved me thousands of dollars, and now it can save you thousands too. If this video helped you unlock a limited AI video creation, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what's the first video that you're going to create. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm constantly finding new ways to access premium tools for free. Your wallet will thank you. Check out these videos for more incredible AI tools and hacks. All the links are in the description below. Until next time, keep creating amazing content.